day everyone, it's Chad again, corporate chef for Bravo Philippines. And today, we're going to make a smoothie bowl. So, I'm just gonna give you a brief background. What's the difference between smoothie bowl and smoothies? Basically, smoothies are meant to be sipped in a straw, while smoothie bowl is meant to be a spoon and it's much more thicker. At the same time, it has layers of different textures from whole foods like nuts, different fruits, and basically frozen fruit. Alright, so ang base niya kasi ng mga smoothies, basic na base for smoothies is a frozen banana. So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a smoothie bowl. So without further ado, let's get into our ingredients. For that, I'll be using a frozen banana. It's lakatan. I sliced it already. It's around 4 to 5 pieces. Then I'll be using blueberries. Yan. Pinreese ko na rin siya. Same time. Frozen strawberries. Kiwi. Yan. Chia seeds. Actually, itong chia seeds will add a little bit of texture to the smoothie bowl. At the same time, it has essential nutrients. And good for weight loss as well. And this one, mixed nuts. It's a combination of walnuts, cashews, almonds. Perfect to give balance to the smoothie bowl. At the same time, it has a good amount of fiber and good fats. And to amplify the sweetness of the banana, I'll be using at least 1.5 tablespoons of honey. Then, I'll be using as well a soy milk. That will act as a lubricant pag minimix na natin yung smoothie bowl natin. So, it's very easy and enjoy ito ng lahat, even the kids. So, let's start. So, for that, I'll be using our new blender, the Breville Fresh and Furious blender. So, it comes with a measuring lid and another assist lid with this one para mas madali siya tanggalin. Then a good steady base. And of course, our 5 functions: the mix, chop, blend, puree, and liquefy. Plus, it has a green smoothie function. The green smoothie function kasi perfect yan pag gumagawa ng smoothie with leafy greens like kale, malunggay, and also it's good for making smoothie na may nuts. So mamaya yun yung function na gagamitin natin. Ito naman smoothie natin, it's another function na slow siya nagbe-blend. Pabilis para mas smooth and mas thick yung consistency ng smoothie natin. So for that, let's start. Bigyan natin yung frozen bananas natin. Perfect to pag kanyari medyo mag-expire yung bananas mo. Slice mo na, then ilagay mo na siya sa freezer para for smoothie. And of course, our blueberries. Also has a good amount of nutrients. Or mixed nuts. Alright. So later on, decorate din natin. Then our honey. Of course, our soy milk. Actually, soy milk, I use soy milk, it's because it's much more healthier. At the same time, plant-based siya, and yung protein, yung ka-level niya yung protein ng cow's milk, but low in calories. Yan, yun yung difference sa whole milk. Much more low in calories. So if you're in a diet, soy milk is perfect. So all you need to do is press the green smoothie button. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, it's very thick. That's the consistency we want. That's delicious. Ang ganda ng texture niya. Andun pa rin yung nuts. Andun pa rin yung sweetness, ng natural sweetness ng banana. It's very evident. And what we want is that dense thickness of our smoothie. Ko-complement yung lasa ng soy natin, soy milk. So, para siyang soft ice cream ang dating. So, all we need to do is transfer it to a bowl. Kita mo naman yung breakdown ng blueberries natin. Yung ba ng color combination niya. Actually, pwede rin kayong mag-incorporate ng leafy greens. This is a good way para ma-mask mo yung lasa ng green vegetables. Ihalo mo sa smoothie mo. Ito mo naman gano'n ka-smooth and well incorporated yung smoothie bowl natin. Next thing to do is we decorate it. So, hindi ko na hinalo yung strawberries kanina kasi gusto ko siyang i-decorate para mag-add siya ng texture dun sa smoothie natin. Ayan. Para lang tayong nasa art class. Design our bowl with different colors. That. Then we add our kiwi. After we add our kiwi, we can add our nuts. So, maganda mixed nuts na siya. Para different flavors at the same time. Mga layers of ano tayo. Alright. Then to finish it off, I'm gonna add chia seeds on the side. There you have it. Then, I guess a little bit of blueberries. Wala may contrast. There we go. So that's our mixed berries smoothie bowl, powered by Breville. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the quick video and I hope you learned something new. So guys, thank you so much and I hope you're having a great time. Again, this is Chef Chad. Take care and see you around.